Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I am back with another Empties. I don't know how I have this much Empties already, but you know that this is the year of me finishing half used up stuff. So that's what I've been concentrating on, trying to use up stuff, trying to not buy as much stuff except for eyeshadow palettes because I can't help myself. Like, I just can't. Like when they're on sale at Boxy pop-up and like all that stuff, I have to buy them, but I'm trying to be better and not buy them. But with that being said, I have on the Violet Voss I Love You, I'll Love You Forever palette. That's what it looks like. I really like it. I like the kind of mossy green. It's really pretty. So I did buy that at the pop-up sale. And I just filmed my first round of declutters for my foundation. So if it's already up, I'll put it up here in the corner. And if it's not up yet, it's coming soon. So I did a foundation and primer declutter. So I think I did really good. So we'll see what you guys think. So let's see. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button down below so that you can help me reach 1,000 subscribers this year, I would love to see that happen. So yeah, let's get on with the declutter. Or this is not the declutter. This is the empties. These are the things that I used up. Okay, here's I've been using up the wax melts that I have had, like, that were old. So I started using them all up, and like I know which ones I like and which ones I don't like. So let's see. I have a whole bunch of them. My favorite, if you're looking for affordable ones, are from Walmart, and they're $1. And make sure you get the Sensational brand. This brand smells so good. I have a warmer in my bathroom, and when I walk in there or even out here, you can smell it like all through the room, and they have some really nice scents. This one was called Simple Romance, and I think it was okay. It smelled good. This is Luminescence, and this was like from a Dollar Tree brand. I wouldn't recommend this one. And then I have two that were from Scentsy. This is the Frosted Ginger Cookie. This one smelled really good. And then this one was Coconut Cotton, and this one smelled really good too. Now these two are also from the Sensational line, and these two smell really good. This, I looked for this the other day when I went and I couldn't find it. It's called Iced Lemon Sugar Cookie. Smells so good. And then the Holiday Cookie, and I don't think you can find this probably not until the next year. Oh yeah, it's a limited edition. So but the Iced Lemon one, ooh, smells so good. So I worked through, I had a bunch that had like a couple cubes in them, and I was like, nope, we got to rectify that. So I went through 6 of them, so that was pretty good. And then I finished this Rustic Comfort Cinnamon Pumpkin Candle. It was a pretty big candle. I got this from CVS, like on a really good clearance deal. And then I used the DW Home Hickory Clove. This one smelled really, really good, and I've been trying to find another one and I can't find it. Haven't seen it again. And then this one is from Bath & Body Works, my favorite one, Marshmallow Fireside. I love that scent. Love it, love it. And that's it for, oh wait, let's see. I have this one. This was another wax melts. This is the brand from Aldi called Huntington Home. Most stuff I buy at Aldi I like, but this one was called By the Fire, and I was like, oh my god, I found Marshmallow Fireside at Aldi, but these don't smell like at all. And I have 2 more packs of them, but I just couldn't smell them. So that would be a no. Next up here, I have this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. And this is the one that's with crushed macadamia and rice milk. And I got this at my discount store for $2.99, and I love this stuff. It's not like a body scrub. It's the pieces are more finely crushed, I guess. But oh, it smells so good. And it just feels so good when you're scrubbing it on your skin. And then I bought the lotion that matches it, and the lotion is so good, like you can feel it on your skin, not like greasy, but your skin feels nice and hydrated. It doesn't just like disappear. So the lotion's really, really nice. So I would highly recommend that. And I have a Derma E Purifying Toner Mist. I just use this to like dampen my face before I put hyaluronic acid on it. And same thing with this. This is from Formula 1006, the Bee Berry Balanced Nourishing Spray Toner, just to, you know, make your face damp. And I finished up this Biro, what was this, an Essence, I think it was called. I can't really see what it, Biro Essence. This was like that super expensive one that came in BoxyCharm. And it was nice, but I wouldn't pay like $90 or however much it was. And Glam Glow, this was their moisturizer, Omega Rich moisturizer. This one came in a BoxyCharm as well. I really like this one. Used it right up. And then I finished up the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. I love the mister on this. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, can I get this open? Oh, I bet you can't get it open. Darn, I was going to say I would love to reuse this bottle, but I don't think you can get it open. But yes, I love that. Pack of Basic Beauty makeup wipes. Trying to work through those as well. Then I had this Matrix Oil Wonders Volume Rose. It's a mousse. And it's just like a little travel size, but it's about half empty, and I went to go put it out and like get ready to put it in my hair, and then like I got a whiff of it, and I already don't like rose scent, but I could tell that it had gone off, so that was like just one that's just got to go. And then this one is from AG Hair Cosmetics Curl, and this is their Liquid Effect Extra Firm Styling Lotion. It's just, I put it on like after I put my leave-in conditioner. I usually use a cream or a mousse or something just to kind of hold the curls. And that one was good. I really like that AG brand. It's really nice. Let's see. Oh, I finished up the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is a AHA night serum. I really like this. Too expensive for me to buy on my own though, but thanks to BoxyCharm I was able to try it. And then I have this L'Oreal Age Perfect Night Cream. I don't think I used it up, no. I just don't like this. I don't care for the scent that L'Oreal puts in their facial products, their skincare. So I just didn't like the smell of that. And I have a little Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner. Use this for the same thing, just spraying it on my face. This was like a free thing with a purchase that my daughter had made. And I finished up Glossier. What do they call this? This is called the rosebalm.com. And it's funny because it says rose, but I didn't really get a rose scent off of this. And I really like this. If I could just buy this and not have to pay shipping, then I might, but I'm not going to pay shipping just to buy a lip balm. And then I finished this little mini trial size of the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and this was like the vanilla scent, I think. And it was nice, but I still like the berry or the gummy bear. I have the gummy bear one now, and that one's really nice. And then I had a little hand sanitizer. This was Honolulu Sun from Bath and Body Works. Every time I would use it somewhere, so everybody would be like, ooh, you smell good. What is that? It smells like coconut and pineapple and smells really good. Then I have this Lottie London Arch Rival. This is their microblade effects pen. I don't like the one that have like the little prongs on them. I just think they look really fake. And this one seemed to kind of dry up rather quickly, so I just thought, I'm going to get rid of it. I didn't really care for it. And then I had gotten this when I bought something from ABH, and of course, I don't know what it's called, and I don't even know what it is. Actually, I couldn't figure it out. It says that it is a banana stick contour stick, and I'm like, what? Who could contour with this? I mean, this is like light. So I'm like, what is this? So I don't even know what this is, what it's supposed to do. I don't know. So if one of you guys knows, let me know. So for now, I'm getting rid of it because I don't know what it is. And then I have some of my hair, skin, and nails BioSil. I went through 2 of those already. And a 1-a-day prenatal. Yes, I take prenatal vitamins if I can find them on sale for a good deal, because they're just good vitamins. They have everything you need, even if you're not pregnant, and I'm not pregnant. Then I have one of my little razors. This is a facial, or you can use it on your eyebrows. I mostly use it like for my chin and stuff. This is my favorite brand. It's by Ardell, I believe. I usually pick it up at like the 99-cent only store. So I have a couple backups of these. This is my favorite one. So that, my friends, is going to end this series of empties. It wasn't as long as last time. I told you I was going to try to keep it short. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you're new, would love it if you would subscribe. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. If you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back and spending some of your time with me. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. So I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.